Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate all of the Saja Boy's hair styles on Dress to Impress. So we're going to start with Genu here. For his hair, I used this hair in the color black. Position the X to 0.5, the Y to 0.48, Z 0.46, and scaled it to 0.43, I think, yeah. Then I used this hair in Black This Best Cut with no adjustments made. Then I also used this hair in black, this one. For the adjustments, position the X to 0.54, Y 0.53, Z 0.47, and scaled it to 0.35. Then I went to the feminine section and I used this wavy hair, curly wavy hair. If I can just find it, give me a second. Did I go past? Okay, it's this one. In bangs only in black. Position the X to 0.51, Y 0.55, Z 0.43, and scale it to 0.34. Go to bangs and we're just going to add this last piece of hair in black. Position the Y to 0.56, Z 0.49, and scale it to 0.52. And that's his hair all done. So I'm just going to go to the next member and I'll be right back. Now I'll be creating Abby's hairstyle with the hat as well. So I used this hair in FF92B1, no adjustments made. I also added this hair in that same color, positioned the Y to 0.58, Z 0.45, and scaled it to 0.28. For the hat, just use the beanie out front here, this one. In the toggle, no ears, I used BE9334 for the color, positioned the Y 0.55 and Z 0.47, rotated the X to 0.53. And to create baby's hair, you're just going to go to the salon here, grab this hair in 8AA5A1, grab this hair in that same color, position the Z to 0.47, rotate the X to 0.49. Then for the hat, I'm just going to select this one over here in EBA44D, position the Y 0.48, Z 0.32, rotate the X to 0.41, Y 0.28, Z 0.48, and scale it to 0.66. Now I will recreate Romance's hair. It's not exactly the same. It's very hard to create, if I'm being honest, but select this hair and color it B2586F. And then select this hair in the toggle only bangs in the color F47998. Rotate the X to 0.52 and scale it to 0.43. Grab this hair from the masculine section in the same dark pink color in the first toggle. Position the Y to 0.58 and scale it to 0.39. Grab this hair in the same color in no bangs. Position the Y to 0.59, Z 0.47. And scale it to 0.35, although I think I might move it just backwards a little bit more, like that. Grab this hair in the toggle no bangs, position the Y to 0.45, Z 0.55, rotate the X to 0.53, and scale it to 0.16. And for the last one, I'll be recreating Mystery's hair. It's actually pretty simple. You only need 2 items, which is this one for the front part. So it's this one over here in 888888. Position the Y at 0.55, Z 0.41, rotate the Y to 0.74 and scale it to 0.32. And I also used this hair in the same color. I also added these earrings in BE, position the Y to 0.47, Z 0.46, and scale it to 0.41. And that is it for this video. All of the hairstyles of the Saja Boys on Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!